Welcome to the Luxor Hotel and Casino, one of the most iconic landmarks on the Las Vegas Strip. With its striking pyramid design and mesmerizing beam of light, the Luxor is a destination like no other. In this video, we'll take you on an unforgettable journey through this legendary resort, showcasing its luxurious accommodations, world-class entertainment, and unique attractions. Let's dive in. Where modern luxury meets ancient mystique. The grand lobby, with its soaring atrium, invites you into a world of awe-inspiring elegance and timeless charm. Escape to the Luxor's tropical pool oasis. Surrounded by lush palms and vibrant energy, it's the perfect spot to unwind, sip a cocktail, or dive into lively poolside parties under the desert sun. Step into luxurious rooms and suites, designed for ultimate comfort, featuring modern amenities and elegant touches. Floor-to-ceiling windows provide stunning views, while plush bedding and sleek furnishings create the perfect retreat. Unwind in spacious, elegantly designed bathrooms, complete with modern fixtures and luxurious finishes. Every detail is crafted for your comfort, offering the perfect space to relax and refresh. Discover beautifully designed rooms, blending modern amenities with stylish elegance. Enjoy expansive floor-to-ceiling windows, offering breathtaking views, plush bedding for ultimate comfort, and sleek furnishings that make every moment feel like a retreat. Stay energized at the Luxor's modern fitness center, equipped with cutting-edge equipment and designed to keep you at your best during your stay. Indulge in pure relaxation at the Luxor's luxurious spa. From rejuvenating treatments to tranquil spaces, it's the perfect escape to refresh and recharge. Savor unforgettable flavors at the Vertical Restaurant, where culinary excellence meets breathtaking views. From gourmet dishes to handcrafted cocktails, every bite and sip is a celebration of taste and style. When the sun sets, the Luxor comes alive with world-class entertainment. Catch a thrilling performance of Blue Man Group, dance the night away at the hottest nightclubs, or enjoy a cocktail at one of the resort's stylish bars. The Luxor offers an unforgettable nightlife experience. The Luxor is more than just a hotel, it's an experience. Dive into the extraordinary with Bodies, the exhibition, a captivating journey through the human body, or step back in time with Titanic, the artifact exhibition, where history comes to life. Every corner of the Luxor offers something unforgettable. With its iconic pyramid shape and the dazzling sky beam, the Luxor is a true architectural marvel on the world-famous Strip. Surrounded by the vibrant lights of Las Vegas, it illuminates the night sky, creating a scene that's nothing short of unforgettable. Step into the heart of excitement at the Luxor's vibrant casino. With over 120,000 square feet of gaming space, the energy is electric. Try your luck at a wide array of slot machines, from classic favorites to the latest high-tech games. Test your skills at the thrilling table games, including blackjack, roulette, and poker, where every hand dealt brings a new rush of adrenaline. Step into the Luxor's high-limit lounge for an exclusive gaming experience. Whether you're a pro or just here for fun, the excitement never stops. From its iconic architecture to its luxurious amenities and endless entertainment, the Luxor Hotel and Casino is a true gem on the Las Vegas Strip. Whether you're here for a weekend getaway or an extended stay, The Luxor promises an unforgettable experience. Thank you for joining us on this tour. We hope to see you soon at the Luxor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and resort tours. Share your favorite moments from the Luxor in the comments below and let us know what you're most excited to experience. Until next time, happy travels.
Thank you.